Zoe from Jefferson Parish, Louisiana, has a question about a flooded foundation.
She lives right outside of New Orleans. She does. All right. Zoe writes, our 1963 ranch home has a sunken living room. Literally about 500 square feet, and it takes on 3 to 6 inches of water in heavy rain 7 times in 3 years, she says. So she's looking at options, Tom. She wants to know, should we tear out the old foundation and pour a new one, elevate it with treated joists, maybe a subfloor, or maybe foam fill it and pour a slab over that? What are your options for Zoe?
Well, I know a lot of people will just fill it with concrete. You've got a drainage problem out there somehow, and I'm not sure why or how, or if the water's building up. But
she says the water's coming up from underneath.
I understand. It's because the water has nowhere else to go, so it's going to find its low spot. The other thing is filling it with foam or filling it with floor joists. It's still going to fill up with the water under there. You've got to have something that's solid. So filling it up with solid concrete would be the best way to go. Tearing it out is not an option, but I would really take a look at what's going on around the outside of the home, whether your concrete patios up against your house have moved a little bit, whether you have some trees that have matured and started giving you a problem like that, because that does happen. And there's a lot of voids under there, and the water, if it has nowhere to go quickly away from the house, it will find its way under there, and it will seep right through and fill those sunken living rooms from the 60s up. And that's why you really don't see them much anymore, because the platform bed where people broke their ankles and the sunken living room during a party was not a good idea after a couple bottles of wine.
I'm thinking a sunken living room in, of all places, New Orleans would be the last place I want to do a sunken
Anything
living room.
sunken.
No. I mean, your water table's kind of high over there, isn't it? You got questions? We'd be happy to help you out. Go ahead and send them to us at HomeShowRadio.com. Check out our other videos right over here, or you can subscribe to our channel. That'd be right nice of you.